Hi, my name's Geri, and it was maybe a year or so ago I saw some pictures of acupuncture meridians relative to double helix water, and being an acupuncturist I was very interested. Then I saw the scans of before and after arthritis, and I thought, that would be great, because the arthritis in my back and the arthritis in my fingers was really debilitating me to the point where I was having a lot of trouble, especially if I twisted a little bit, moving with my spine and picking things up. So when I saw the double helix water, I went, and I stopped everything. No homeopathics, no ginger, no glucosamine, nothing for the arthritis. And I just began drinking the double helix water because I wanted to be sure that if there were the changes, they were due to what I was doing, and I could pick out that the only modality I was using was this double helix water. And what I began to notice, and it took maybe 6 weeks or so, I began to notice that, gee, my fingers would bend, and they were improving. So then I took out some rings I hadn't been able to get over my knuckles and tried those on, and after maybe a couple months I could start to get those rings on that I hadn't been able to wear for quite some time. So I knew the inflammation in my joints was going down, and I was getting to the point where I could bend my fingers better, where I would even start to pick things up again, where I hadn't been able to pick things up with my fingers. So in 1 year's time, I've noticed a really big difference in long-standing arthritis, and when you get to my age, you don't expect things to change very quickly. So if in a year's time I can improve what I'm doing, and I can start to move my spine again, I figure, don't take my double helix water away. I do that every day, 2 to 3 times a day. I make sure I'm drinking some of the double helix water. And I'm going to keep doing it as long as I could get the double helix water.